Check it out. New 2012 Kawasaki KLR650 with every option upgraded that you can imagine on this thing. Bike currently has under 12,000 miles. We're sitting at about 11,800 miles right now. Bike fires right up, no problem. We do have GV hard bags, GV rear bag with lights, extended turn signals on this, other GV bag, factory exhaust, K&N intake, highway bars, skid plates, Boost Racing, Clark Busters. We got revalve front suspension, new rear aftermarket shock on this thing, aftermarket seat, aftermarket windshield. Like I said, everything on this has been upgraded. It's got the doohickey and the thermobob upgrades done to the engine for extra reliability. Not that these things really need them. But very good bike. Everything on it works as it should. It's ready to go, extremely clean. Let's go take it for a test ride. Oh, also, the bike has been lowered. If you're not familiar with the KLR650s, it is a bike made by Kawasaki. They are considered a dual sport. It's a 650cc single cylinder motor, 5-speed manual transmission on it. One of the benefits to this bike versus other dual sports is this thing is liquid cooled. A lot of people literally drive these things all over the planet. I've seen several people take these things from like Alaska down to South America, all the way back up. They do different routes in different countries, but literally world touring bikes, ride them all over the planet. Known for their reliability. They've got really good torque. They are not speed monsters by any means, but you'll have no problems passing cars on the interstate or on the highways or getting onto freeways or things like that. This bike with the aftermarket seat and the aftermarket suspension rides really nice on the road. Does well off-road as well. Seat's very comfortable compared to other dual sports. It's not the skinny dirt bike seat. This guy's got a fairly wide seat on it. Great for you and a passenger as well. With this aftermarket windshield, right now I'm feeling wind on my arms, just a little bit of wind on my legs, nothing in this whole space. So my stomach, my chest, my head, I'm getting a little bit, but nothing that's pushing me around or beating up on me. It's a very comfortable ride. This thing is just set up really well. Like I said, if you're looking for a KLR, this one's got everything. Right now we're cruising about 60 miles an hour, no problem, going down a hill. We'll turn around and get on it up the hill just to see the kind of the climbing power on it. Alright, here we go. That's 60 right there. Like I said, not crazy high horsepower, but it's got good torque. You don't have to spin them fast. That's why these motors last so long. That, in the addition of it being liquid cooled, just makes them very reliable, long-lasting engines. 50 right now, gaining speed, going uphill, no problem. There we go. This windscreen is adjustable up and down. Looks like it's quick adjustment, which is pretty slick. Yeah, bike rides good, handles well. Tires are in good shape. It doesn't need anything. If you guys are interested, you can reach me at StoversMotors. Phone number is 469-616-9474. Again, that's 469-616-9474. We're asking $49.99, $5,000 on this one. Come on in, take it for a test ride, see if you like it. See you guys.